Hi friends, let me apologize for a mistake which I did in the last video. The file which I used had an equation wrong in this calculations. That is FII, when I converted the amount from the FII holding, change in FII holding, how much crore rupees promoter holding, FIIs and DII holding. So that calculation I made a mistake. So kindly bear with me. I have uploaded the corrected equation today morning in the Telegram channel. So you can do your experiment. Still, I'll show you with a correction factor of 0%. The total amount 0% in the sense if current market price of last Friday was considered, then this must be the amount which was taken out from the market. 17,000 by promoters, 79,000 by our FIEs, and 69,900. Then I have made the pivot as per that, and you will find that say similar thing only. The methodology for calculating is you update your this thing, what you call pivot, and you can straight away select the entire this thing into just for your analysis. Okay, and you can sort according to your requirements. I think if you have watched the one video which I have shared, you will be able to understand what exactly I want to communicate. Okay, this is the value, and if it is to be sorted as per the more money which came, money infused by the big players, you can find out. Even you can filter also with the color. Also you can filter. So with this this thing, I request you to visit Telegram channel and calculate according to your needs. The pasting is done only because pivot we will not be able to handle it easily. So the same data, if you put it into a normal table, you can very well work on it. You have to paste as number, not as a don't select the entire thing and place it, paste it. You have to select it, copy it, and right click by number, so that otherwise whatever you copy, the reference will be the same. It will be another pivot table only, so it may not be able you may not be convenient to utilize that. So like 20% correction is added, then how much money has come, you can refresh it, copy it, and you can paste it. So the figures will keep changing. Okay, this video, apart from that subject, I just wanted to communicate to what is the next worksheet. We have talked about fundamentals and BSc plus NSC data. So today I want to share what I share in the index data. Index data, this is of 24 indices, data of 24 indices. It is showing current means latest closing, then what is the change, open, how high, low, previous close, how much it was, 2 days before, what was that, what was the price, the index closing, then 1 week back, 1 month back, and 1 year back. 52-week high and low also are mentioned in this. Okay, next is delivery turnover. I am calculating all 50 companies of Nifty 50 to get the sum of BSE plus NSE delivery quantity. As we have discussed, the delivery turnover is nothing but delivery quantity into average price, and average price is calculated by dividing turnover with total quantity traded. So on an average, what is the price? Because we don't have the weighted average price source, so I am calculating from Bhav copy only. Then turnover, how much is the money came into market, entire Nifty 50, BSE plus NSE. Then delivery percentage, today's delivery percentage is 42%. When compared to with the last 13 months, there is a drop of 27% in the delivery percentage. I keep a background of yellow color and a red font color for higher, very less this thing. If it is when delivery turnover spike is quite lesser than 20%, I will be mentioning in this background. Otherwise, if it is above 20%, it will be in green. Okay. Anyway, again, there is a comparison with the last 13 months. 13 month average is just calculated because when I made for 12 months, many people asked what was the condition last year during the same period. So if I was making a chart out of 13-month data, for more period, if it will be it will be clumsy. So I thought of making additional 1 month data, including additional 1 month data. And this is the change in points. What is the number? We have seen that percentage change in the D column. Now in T column, or what is in point? I mean, previous day difference between the previous day closing and today's closing. Then I keep tracking how much percentage is required to reach the 52-week high. And the same way, 13-month average delivery percentage it's not in order because when I added new columns, I just added next to in the last row. Last column. So 39% is the Nifty 50 average delivery percentage, whereas today it is 42%. So wherever delivery percentage is higher, this will have a green color background, and then comes average trade worth. So added together BSE plus NSE, Nifty 50, all the 50 shares on an average 46,000. One average trade happens for 46,744 for the last 13 months. Today it is 45,987. When these figures are higher, this color will be coming into green. I don't consider only one thing. I will be considering the comparative figures of delivery percentage, delivery turnover spike, as well as average trade worth improvement. So this is the data of 24 indices. You can keep watching. On a regular basis, if you keep watching it, you will come to know what is the exact content of it and how does it affect the market. And at the bottom of that, I keep adding Nifty 50 chart. I'll just zoom out, so that you can view the entire chart in a single screen like this. Okay, what I have mentioned, this is a candlestick chart of Nifty 50 for the last 13 months. 39 EMA, 50 EMA, 100 EMA and 200 EMA are also plotted in this chart. Then here is the delivery turnover. How much is the turnover or delivery turnover? That is in cash. And this is the point, Nifty 50 points. And at the bottom, if you check, there is a faded bar and a green bar. Faded bar is the turnover of that particular day, and green bar is the delivery turnover of all these 50 companies for that day. And this is the average, on an average, for how much? Something around 12,000 crore. You can see from here. This is the data available. And also, what I have done is that I have plotted delivery percentage and average trade worth in this. So you can see whether the delivery percentage for quite some period it is good. In between, there is ups and downs in the average trade worth. So if average trade worth like this, average trade worth is better, I'll search for something far better than this, like this. Okay, average trade worth is above average, then delivery percentage is above average, and delivery turnover is almost double. It gives some indication that there has been a good money flow into the market. So based on that, we can expect that unwinding would happen in the near terms. It may take sometimes 2 months, 3 months time. That is my personal experience. I'm just sharing it for your knowledge purpose. Here again, the delivery percentage was good. These all things are good, and the uptrend started. So when the average trade worth comes in the downtrend and all these things comes down, I consider it as sell-off. So another one information, these numbers are also plotted here. What is the difference also is mentioned, like spike, how much percentage. Okay, so this is the information in this. Similarly, for all these indices, I have made it. So I think 14 or 15 indices I have made it. So I think it will be of great help for your market analysis. So winding up for today. Thank you very much for following this channel. Thank you.